Alright guys, I'm back. Welcome to my channel. I'm Megan and those are two of my 3 kids. I have something fun for you today. I decided to do a home tour. Semi-realistic home tour. I mean, my home is a little bit cleaner right now than usual. It is nap time, which is when I usually straighten up anyway. In the background you can hear my kids are watching the Cincinnati Zoo's Facebook Live. I did mention in a previous vlog that we live in a 1,300 square foot home here in Austin, Texas. I do have 3 kids, a 5-year-old, 4-year-old, and an almost 2-year-old. My husband is working from home because everyone that can is working from home. So I thought I would just give you a little tour as to what our life looks like with all of us in a smaller home. Starting here in the kitchen, this is the door that leads out to my garage. And then this is our kitchen. It is smaller, but really, actually really easy to use because sink and the oven and the fridge are all pretty close together. I don't have a full walk-in pantry or anything like that. So mostly our pantry is here. I do have some dry goods out in the garage as well. And then up there as well. What's nice about it is the doors do come out and pull all the way out. It's not organized, never is. I don't really care that much. I mostly know where everything is and everybody just asks me where stuff is. So that's kind of how we work it. Behind me, I think this is a pretty good view, is our breakfast nook / dining room. We don't have another room, like a regular traditional dining room. So this is a round table, cute light from Target, and we have 4 of the article dining chairs, which I do have a video for, which I'll link in the description box. And whoop, there it is, a high chair for the almost 2-year-old. He also sometimes sits on a stool, or she does. So that's kind of how we make it work with 5 people at a 4-seater table. We do have some cute family photos on this wall here. And then as you come around the corner, this is our front door. We did paint in this gorgeous oilcloth by Benjamin Moore color. It's like a soft green, which I really, really love. And we added the beadboard, the pegs, the art shelf up there, and it's really helpful to keep keys and bags and all that organized. And this is one of my favorite organizational things. So we installed these IKEA cabinets and then painted them the same oilcloth color. And this is where we keep all of our toys for the kids. And I just really love how it looks. Ideally, my husband will one day build a topper for it in that light wood color. And it just really helps to keep all of our toys and books organized. Starting on this wall, which is next to the green wall, there's our hallway into bedrooms and a classy laundry basket for you. This is a repainted thrifted find. I feel like the sound is a lot better if I do it this way. I have a cute little thrifty guy, some Japanese artwork. My husband lived in Japan for a couple years, and then we lived there as a family as well. And then just a couple vases, hats. My father-in-law made this ladder. It's a Target blanket. That's a little Amazon side table. I'll link that because it's awesome. And then this is not ideal, a 2-tone couch situation. That is what it is. Both are from Crate & Barrel, so I think at least they kind of go together. And then we have a US map by Gather, and then some more miscellaneous artwork over there. Now, my favorite part of the house, and what you'll see a bunch on my Instagram, is this. This all looked totally different, and I do have before photos. This is a Stucco Fireplace. It does have a beam that runs into it. This paint color is called Nightfall by Benjamin Moore. It's an IKEA chair, Target table, Target mirror. Are you seeing a theme? And then this is an IKEA table as well. And the reason I have a table here instead of maybe like a more traditional TV stand is I really wanted to make sure that the light could still come through from these windows into the room because it's not a particularly bright room. And this table we already owned, and does it really fit there? No, but it does like aesthetically kind of work for the space. So that is our main living area. The rooms I was unable to show you earlier, not the master, my husband's still working in there. Also, it's heinous. Maybe I'll show it a different day. But with the lights on, here, let me turn off the fan and pick up the dirty underwear. So when we bought this house, it was totally not fixed. And now, don't mind that horrible door. And now we just finished up this kid's bathroom. So this bathroom was totally 1970s before, but we put in the beadboard and the hooks. And then on this side, we put in the light. Yes, we still have holes to fill in. Thanks, Truman. Cute little hello sign in the case from Anthropology, Target. Beadboard goes all the way around here. Vanity from Home Depot, super cute. My favorite artwork is by Britt Bass. I really like home design. I'm really into it. And this is my other favorite room in the house. I found this artwork locally here on Facebook Marketplace, and it's a paint by numbers, and I think it's just gorgeous. Those are from Target. Everybody knows those, I think. Bunk bed is from IKEA. I love that wall color. Anyway, this is the big kids room, and it is not so secretly my favorite. And then this is the super not finished guest bedroom, but I did like this little sign that I found at Home Goods. Obviously that's from IKEA, I think everybody has that. And then the crib and some more cute artwork from, guess where? Target. Literally everything. It's from Target. Oh, I forgot to show you. This rug is seriously so pretty, and also from Target. It's like my whole home is from Target.